Hi guys, welcome to Ali Reviews tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to import reviews from AliExpress in just a few clicks. Let's begin. To import reviews, please open the Get tab on the main menu. There is an option to import reviews from AliExpress. You can filter to see which products haven't had reviews yet. All you need to do is copy and paste the AliExpress link of the product. Change the filter settings to get the reviews which match your needs. Waiting for the reviews, the process might take time according to the filter settings, and the quantity of reviews importing. After that you can manage the imported reviews. From there you can edit, pin, delete the reviews as you want.